Good morning, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome here in Azad Kashmir. Today we're going to a PSL match. Peshawar Zalmi against the Karachi Kings. So yeah, Zalmi need to win. Both teams need to win actually to qualify. So this is at the Rawalpindi Stadium. First time going to a live Pakistan match of any sort. So yeah, follow this vlog and we'll show you what the experience.
I'll cut that. Thanks to the ones that sent the drones over, and now we're heading to Mirpur, and just gonna show you a bit of Mirpur. Here we are here at Mirpur. There's quite a few restaurants that have opened up here, and we're gonna go to one specifically called Ajwa restaurant, which is quite famous, so we're going to take you there. Because it's rain.
Yeah, we're just going past Jarika's spot. As I said, with the cricket being cancelled, we're now heading towards Mirpur and go to a new restaurant called Ajwa. Check it out.
Check out this car. It's only got one brake light, that's the central one, and it's got no other lights. They're all removed.
We're here at Ajwa restaurant, and that's the entrance. Yeah, just going through the menu, you can see the starters there, Ajwa roast, and then they've got steaks, seafood, barbecue options. We've got the barbecue platter there. Got the Ajwa steaks, different ones. We've got dry and fry soups. It's quite a vast menu. Pasta there, Chinese rice, chow mein, Pakistani rice, Chinese gravy, seafood, fish ones. Then you got Ajwa barbecue options there, mulai chicken, Ajwa food, mutton, Ajwa Pakistani traditional food like dal. Then you've got Ajwa Pakistani food, Ajwa salad, Ajwa fast food, and Ajwa tandoor. You can see roti and stuff on there, different naans. Then you got Ajwa pizza, Ajwa ice cream, Ajwa hot and cold drinks. Quite a vast menu. You've got milkshakes there. You can see the desserts there as well. Yeah, quite a vast menu. Yeah, this is the view from the table on the roadside. So you can see it's still raining. Where's the Ajwa sign? Yeah, this is hustle bustle Mirpur. Yeah, for starters we ordered the chicken pineapple salad, which was not too bad, it was okay. And then I had a mint mojito, which was quite nice. And this was the barbecue platter with the rogni naan, different kebabs and chicken, sort of leg pieces and tikka roti. That was quite nice. And then we had the chicken chow mein as well, which was relatively okay. Yeah, we just saw this chap selling coconut water, so we thought we'll give it a try and see how it tasted. Yeah, there opening the coconut for us using a tool there to open it, a screwdriver, and creating a hole. First he takes the top layer off, which is quite hairy, and then he creates a hole, and, so that enables us to stick a straw in and enjoy the coconut water. Yeah, as you can see, he's going to get that screwdriver and create a hole, and with the skill of doing it, so showing us, and then it's twisting that screwdriver until he creates a hole for a straw to enter, and then we can drink it. And there you go, he's got the straw there for us. Let's take a sip of this.
लेफ्ट राइट तरी ना एक जगह है ना जिमी बस व्हाट इज दिस क्या जगह ऊपर है ना रोड क्या ना मैं तो मैंने देखा उसी हेलो This is the mall by Al Ghosya. Jimmy, ये क्या मिनी लंदन ग्रीन स्ट्रीट ईस्ट टाइम ग्रीन स्ट्रीट in the heart of Mirpur. Sapphire, promoted by Azahan.
नो को पसंद करेगी ना
Cardi.
एक और नो
Yeah, here at Mirpur, evening time, we're going to check out Mr. T's Love Doner Kebab. It's next to the KFC. Just gonna get oh, bag mein gadi chhodi hai.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
You bro, what one?
Hello. Just gonna get ice cream from here. We've got the donors there. And the menu. Gonna try the ice cream. There's the ice cream machine there. So the inside and the seating area. There's Mr. T's ice cream, vanilla flavor. It's the Mangla Dam. What is it? Is it coming in? Coming in? Oh no. Oh no, I see party. Yeah, it's filling up gradually. By July, August should fill up.